Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking some more game day food. So today we're going to be making loaded fries. We're going to start it off on the Hellrazr Nomada and we're going to be finishing in the FireKing Roma Pizza Oven. So come on, let's cook. First thing we're going to do is make some pickled red onion. So we've got one red onion that's been finely sliced, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I'm just going to take a pinch of salt. Just going to mix this all in, get down in there, give it a good stir around. We're going to put this to one side for 20 minutes and then it'll be ready to use. Next thing, we've got 500 grams, that's roughly a pound of frozen French fries. We've got my cast iron pan here. I'm just going to pop them straight into the wood-fired oven. The wood-fired oven's running at 170 degrees C, that's 340 F. Meanwhile, back to the Hellrazr Nomada. We've put a pan on, drizzle of olive oil, and now we've got 6 chorizo style sausages. These sausages are skinless, and all we're going to do is just break them up. I want to get these as fine as possible. Once we do that, we're just going to let them cook away. While these sausages cooking, we're going to make a Cajun style spice blend. So that's 2.5 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Once they're all in the bowl, all we're going to do is give it a good old mix. Alright, we're going to take our mix over to our chorizo sausage and we're going to add 3 or 4 teaspoons of it. Get in there, give it a good stir, and we'll cook the spice mix out. That's our sausage ready. Back to the wood-fired oven. Our French fries have had 10 minutes. This is what we want. We don't want any colour on them at this stage. Going to start building these loaded fries. First thing to do is take our spice mix again, and we're going to add about 2 or 3 teaspoons again. Just give the French fries a nice dusting with it. Then we've got 2 chopped tomatoes. Just sprinkle these over the French fries. Then we're going to take our sausage mix. We're going to lay this all over the top. Want all the crusty bits off the bottom. We certainly want all those chorizo flavoured oils. That's it. All on, spread it out. Next we're going to go in with 150 grams, that's approximately 5 ounces of cheddar cheese. This is freshly grated cheddar cheese. Sprinkle that all over the top of the fries. Now it's ready to go back into the wood-fired oven. This is going back in for approximately 10 minutes. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just hit that subscription button below. So after 5 minutes we'll just take a peek and see how we're doing. As you can see, the cheese has started to melt. Get the door back on and we're going to go for another 5 minutes. There we have it. Our chorizo loaded fries ready. Just going to garnish these fries with some fresh coriander and some fresh red chilies. So there we have it. This is Dutch's Chorizo Loaded Fries. We've got our Pickled Red Onion and we're serving it with some sour cream. Everything on here. One thing you can taste is the heat from that Cajun spice mix. The sour cream certainly brings it back down, and a lovely tanginess from these pickled red onions. All in all, real good game day food, and may the best team win. But of course that team's got to be England. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.